Suzzy Pinamang atimi alandi eweye my Ghana mu after successful eye surgery eweye UK. Congratulations. Abusia ababa ye the classmate mistakenly obonani to Emma to say na osun pemwa Emma ebeji entrehan for babia wherever you pass in the country obi biara isuma Suzzy Pinamang and Ibrahim Mahama, a younger brother to the president. It me a man I mean a helping hand said the Bunibe canon I or training sa Emma Ibison so na otimi okupim eweye busuya UK on the 10th of May 2025 eweye Moorfield Eye Hospital eweye United Kingdom na Suzzy Pinamang and ni nua oka ho on na caregiver omotimi okupim ho sabi wabedru my Ghana after a successful eye surgery. Chimwana just in no Sabri they said the most video na ebo screen so no ababa na tima better down in the country now your money video abra no da Ibrahim Mahama say
the make actually say Nyame no na dana say no ya we mani so me no ebusuan for dana say no anka me hu na die bi nka abra agba api
se nkenyo no anka bobi a chenare se nyo no anka Sabri ebusuan na kanani waye ni freni ya Sabri kanani hu ade bi so Ibrahim Mahama I mean ono ababa na timi ada Ibrahim Mahama say odana say sanse de wire no nye ni pagina na be ye mo na video no na ye ba you leave your comment under the comment section.
Congratulations. Wow. So what are you saying to Mr. Ibrahim Mahama?
talk
Can you just a word to Mr. Ibrahim Mahama?
the make actually say Nyame no na dana say no ya we mani so me no ebusuan for dana say no anka me hu na die bi nka abra agba api ba on te see me hu na die ye kwa me kobi dana say Nyame no ni na ebusuan for ni.
If you haven't subscribed to this platform, subscribe to our platform on YouTube by Paaa Studios and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country, and any latest news behind the best somewhere on this platform. Kindly follow this page for more exciting news like this. We are out.